this is Rosebud and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on DIY face masks using banana and honey, which are both natural ingredients. Okay, so here's the banana. So I'm going to cut the banana in half, mash it up in a bowl, add a little bit of honey as well. You only need a little bit of honey as it will be too runny if you put too much in, and then we're going to mix them up together and to form a paste, and then we're going to apply it to the face. And yeah, so bananas contain vitamin A, and bananas do restore moisture to the skin, and it also repairs dry skin as well. I mean, I do have dry skin, so this is going to be very beneficial for my skin. And you leave it on for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. What else can I say? So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to see more videos, and let's get on with it.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. This has been Rosebud showing you the lemon and honey face mask. It has left my skin feeling nice and soft, and it has brightened it up. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see more beauty tips videos. I've got a lot of videos coming up soon. Please leave a comment down below to tell me what video you want me to see. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.